If you're tired of winter but not tired of bookings, listen up. It's time to get your AC game on. As the temperatures rise, HVAC contractors need to switch their focus from heating to air conditioning. This shift can bring a whole new set of opportunities if you're prepared. First, update your Google Business profile. Change your primary category to air conditioning contractor and highlight your AC services like installation and repairs. Add photos of your team in action to build trust. Next, leverage Google Ads. Target high-intent keywords like AC repair near me and create ads that stress the urgency of staying cool. Focus on regions where the demand for AC services is highest. Plan for increased demand by boosting your scheduling options. Offer evening and weekend appointments to attract more customers. Make sure to stock up on common AC parts to avoid delays. Finally, encourage reviews. After a successful service, ask customers to leave a review on Google. Positive feedback will make you stand out when new clients are searching for AC services. By taking these steps, you'll not only increase your bookings, but also build lasting customer loyalty. So get ready, shift your focus, and make this AC season your best yet.